heart and head bowed in sadness, but not in shame, I report to Your Excellency that today I must arrange terms for the surrender of the fortified islands of Manila Bay. There is a limit to human endurance, and that limit has long since been passed without prospect of relief. But with still continued pride in my gallant troops, I deem it my duty to God and to my country to end this useless diffusion of blood and human sacrifice. If you agree, Mr. President, please say to the nation that my gallant troops and I had achieved what is humanly possible, and that we have upheld the best tradition of the United States and its Army. May God bless you, preserve you, and guide you and the nation towards your effort to ultimate victory. With profound regret, but with still continued pride in my gallant troops, I go now to meet the Japanese commander. Goodbye, Mr. President. Goodbye. And message signed Lieutenant General Jonathan Wainwright, Corregidor, 6 May 1942. Now we have another memorial. Can you read that from the bus to the angels? The angels were the army and